What's happening? Come on, come on. What a good boy. What a good boy. Goodness gracious, we need to get you a new one. Clever way of keeping them occupied while you do grooming. It's like a little maze. Very nice. He's got the giant rat, doesn't he? Oh, you so want to bite me, but you know you're not supposed to. You like it in there, don't you? You mad thing. He's sleepy. He is sleepy eyed. You like your nice big crate? Your nice big new crate? It's very cosy looking.
Good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy. All right, Jaxie, come here.
Are you enjoying Steve Marsh? He's really, look,